probably 6-7 years ago. Young couple who had, they'd eloped from the States 15 years prior to that, arrived at Shannon, got to the first church, asked the priest there to marry them. He said, have you somebody that will stand witness? No, leave it to me, I'll get somebody. And he got a policeman in Limerick plus his wife.
Last year I met a family who had come to Ireland. They had no connections with Ireland at all, but they were greatly excited to be here. They were staying in one of the hotels, and their son was getting married in Killarney.
So I said, well, who might the policeman be? And they said it was a fellow called Jerry Murphy. And I knew one Jerry Murphy that was a policeman.
Their family and friends were coming, so they were all excited.
So I immediately shot up as far as Jerry Murphy's house and said, 15 years ago, yourself and Peg stood for a couple called Bill and Meg Stratton. And he said, yes, indeed, we did bring them up to the house, and Peg was in her nightwear, said no. So we arranged then for 12 o'clock that day.
And their daughter was coming in, I think from Belgium, if I remember rightly, and they were delighted to be seeing her again to also
arrive back into the hotel.
I bought them a box of Irish chocolates, so I thought just to show our appreciation for choosing Ireland as a venue for the big celebration.
So in they walked, and there the other side of the door were the couple that had stood for them 15 years prior.